Mark and Steve enjoy some beer. Well, time to move on. Just below us is the actual reservoir, shown here in an early historical aerial photograph. You can see this reservoir on the map and our location. It's only about a 5-minute run from the hotel to the weir. Construction of the weir in 1898, the water in the background, and the finished product showing the railway. Many people from Perth used to come out, take the railway, so they could admire the fresh water and picnic amongst the trees. They still do today. There's lots of websites about the weir. Situated in an attractive bush setting, Mundaring Weir is the world's greatest engineering product. Completed in 1903, it's the start of the water pipeline. At the foot of the weir is the #1 pump station, which honors the engineer C.Y. O'Connor, who also designed and built Fremantle Harbour. A modern-day view of the dam. And this is a picture looking north from the dam. As you can see, the reservoir now is never full, and water shortage is a chronic problem. It never overflows these days. The problem is so severe they've actually constructed a further dam downstream and pumped the water from there into this dam. Now you're not allowed near the water. You simply can't go boating or fishing or swimming. It's all regulated. A view looking over the dam. We go across the dam and explore the surroundings. We can get to the other side, but not down the flight of stairs. Pump station #1 just below the dam, with the view taken from the top of the dam. This is now a museum. We followed the route around using the old railway bed. You can see the rock cuttings for the railway. The area is open parkland and very picturesque. A close-up of pump station #1. Well, that's it. There's lots of information, and the Batty Library, located in the Library of Western Australia, contains some specialized resources with specific information about the area. I need to get in there and read them. The Mundaring Weir Hotel, a history, looks particularly good. Earlier days, the dam overflows. It's a sight I saw, I guess back maybe 15 years ago. I don't think it's happened since. Thanks, dear viewer, for joining me, Dawn, on this trip to Mundaring Weir via the Mundaring Weir Railway Spur. Have a great day.